Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix Allegiant application not working on your Android. There are several reasons why the Allegiant app might not be functioning properly on your Android device. Some of the potential causes are internet connectivity, outdated app cache issue, device compatibility, and temporary Allegiant app server issue. No matter what the problems are, here are some general troubleshooting steps you can follow. The first thing you'll need to do is to ensure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. Another thing to do is to look for the Allegiant app update. Go ahead and open up your Google Play Store and look for Allegiant application in the search box. If you see an update button on the page, tap on Update to get the latest update for the application that often addresses bugs and improves compatibility. Once you are done with it, open up the app and see if that fixes the issue. If not, clear out app cache and data. Go ahead and open up your Settings app from your Android device. From the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Apps. Tap on the Allegiant application from the app list, and this will open up the app info. Tap on Storage from the option, and tap on both Clear Cache at the bottom right and Clear Data at the bottom left. Once you do that, relaunch open the Allegiant application, and this time you'll need to re-log into your account since you've cleared out your data. Allow necessary permission for the app and log into your account by entering your email and password. If the app problem still persists, then you should consider reinstalling the application. Delete the Allegiant application by pressing hold the app icon and tapping on Uninstall. Tap on OK and then delete the Allegiant application from your device. Now get back to your Google Play Store and re-download the app. Launch it open to see if that fixes the issue. If none of these steps works, you'll need to go ahead and search online news sources for Allegiant social media platform to see if there are any reported server outages affecting the app. Also, you can consider restarting your device while sometimes it'll clear up temporary glitches that might be causing the app to malfunction. So those were some of the common fixes you could use in order to fix Allegiant application not working on an Android device. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.